And I'm repping Aeroskako today too. What is good, YouTube? My name is George. It's a beautiful day at Woodward. It is about 9 in the morning. It's warm-up session time at B3 with my mans.
It smells like mint.
Yeah, I know. Doesn't it smell good?
Sick.
You got that. Ah, there we go. Skirt. Are you good, bro?
Yeah.
Alright, clean it up right here. That was it, bro. I had one try to do that because it's 11:45 on the dot. Now I'm the OSI here at the Rock. Bang, bang. Plaza. Mike, you trying to redeem yourself from yesterday? Yo, this is all the staff right here. I swear we're all just kids. Do not faceplant, Mike. You're live, bro.
Woodward's great, having a blast. It's hot as frick.
That's RJ, said he watches the vlogs.
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Got the meanest heel bruise of my life because of Michael's peer pressure. It's alright. He told me to try Trey.
Could have done it first.
Yeah, I didn't commit hard enough. Oh my god, it hurts to walk right now, so I'm gonna have to film other people today. We got Sebastian here, subscribing to my channel for the first time live. This is momentous. Oh yeah, there it is. Thank you, man.
I noticed.
Oh, sick. Thanks.
Oh, I've seen some of these.
Holy shit, yo, you do look familiar.
Oh!
Eyes closed. Willow, but like Will and then 3 underscores and then OW.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very complex.
Sick tattoo.
Thanks, man.
Whoa.
The leg hair is not even all the way back.
Does it hurt?
It hurts, but it's like weirdly satisfying.
Put a cup in the way.
I was tryna be the case.
It's so beautiful out. The hype is real on the 8-stair sesh. All these skaters in one place and a sunset. Wish I could join the 8-stair session, but working. It's all good though.
Go subscribe to George. That sounds dope. Do it. You have to subscribe right now. You better just go down. Slap the like button. Subscribe button. Just click that subscribe button.
Beat it up, we're on the shorty face. Eli blast, cracking balls like a face. Pop a nigga, then I go out my way. Dash, then I go out the way. Pop a nigga, we tryna see 100 bitches in our face. Every day, bitch, I'm trying to take a picture with you. Chop a tire, goodies, it's a fish fillet. I woke up to a moody who looked out the gate. Show the fuck way in this motherfucking face. We the arms of the angel fly away from here, from this star.
With the mean heel bruise. Yo, you guys trying to shout yourselves out?
Word. Follow us on Instagram. Crazy Ass Patterson Skaters.
Links down below to all these guys.